Hello designers, you're welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, we're going to be learning how to cut a corporate sleeve. So this sleeve is not your regular sleeve. It's the type of sleeve that you put on a jacket, like a semi-formal jacket. And this is not a two-piece sleeve, it's a one-piece jacket sleeve. I'm going to be using this fabric and I'm going to fold it into two. I'll confirm that the length will be enough to cut my sleeve and the width, then I'll fold it into two again because I want to cut the two sleeves together. So this fabric is going to cut two pieces of sleeve at once. I'm going to use pin to hold it down, and at the top there I'm going to draw a straight line, which will be my starting line. From that straight line, I'm going to measure my slope depth, which is about 5 inches. Because it's a corporate sleeve, I'm going to be using 5 inches for my slope depth. For normal sleeve, for a female blouse, we use about 2.5 inches. While for shirts, we use about 1 inch. But because this is a jacket, the sleeve has to look a certain way. So the slope depth is 5 inches. From the top line again, I'll measure my elbow length, and then I'll measure my 3/4 length and add about 2 inches or 2.5 inches seam allowance. From the top, I'll measure about 3.5 inches down and make a dotted line. On the slope line, I'm going to measure my round arm. Let's assume my round arm is 10. I'm going to divide it into two. That will be 5 inches. So on that line that I came down, I'm going to mark another line to form like a cross so that I can draw my slope. Just do exactly what I'm doing, you will get it. Then I'm going to draw my slope. You can see the slope is long at the top because it's not the regular sleeve. Then by the side, I'm going to measure my round elbow and round forearm. That is where the 3/4 length will be. So I'll measure around the forearm and then I'll draw my line. The next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to measure the slope line just to be sure it will fit into the armhole of the blouse or the jacket I want to put it. So if it's not up to, I'll add extra here. Most times it's not always up to, so I'll add extra here, then I'm going to cut it. I'm going to mark the second fabric so I can know the back of the fabric. So I'm going to place one of the sleeve on the lining. I'll pin it down and then go ahead to cut the same shape. I will also put the second sleeve on another lining and cut that out too. So I'm cutting lining for the two sleeves. This is the fast way that I cut my sleeve.
Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please kindly like, share, comment, subscribe if you're new here, and click the notification bell. Thank you.